Hello. In today's video, we'll discuss why the PS app on your device might not be working and explore various ways to fix it. Let's get started. The main reason the PS app might not be working is due to a poor internet connection. An unstable connection can cause the PlayStation app to malfunction. Additionally, if the app is not properly linked to the console, it can affect its functionality. Here are the best solutions to resolve this issue. First, check your internet connection. You can use a free internet speed test tool, such as fast.com, to check your internet speed online. If you find that your internet is slow, try restarting your router to see if this resolves the issue with the PS app. Next, ensure the app is properly linked to the console. If you suspect that the PS app is not connected to your console, you can fix this by going to the Settings tab on the app. Once there, tap Link a console to app and follow the instructions on the prompts to complete the process. Thank you for watching. Until next time.